In this video we're going to look at putting the 3-position selector switch on our Constructor drawing. Begin by launching our Constructor software. Again, the default setting is to have the 3 power points on top, which is what you're going to want to do, because you're still going to want to put in your motor starter, contacts, overloads, motor, and transformer. For the purpose of this presentation in this video, I'm simply going to convert to 2 power points to make it easier for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to begin by placing the 3 push button contacts from my 3-position selector switch on the drawing. I'm going to do that here. When our symbol library pulls up, we're going to want to not use the contacts we have previously used, which are these that are labeled push button control heads, normally open, push button are normally closed. And you'll notice they have a solid line on the stem. We want the ones with the dashed lines because these are auxiliary push button contacts. You want to use the normally open, the auxiliary normally open push button. We click on that 3 times for each of the 3 contacts we're going to show. We're going to have each of those contacts operate a pilot light. So we'll go to the pilot lights. We'll put in a red, a green, and a blue. Wire those up. Now we want to install the operating head for our selector switch. As we discussed, there are several types that can be used. And we do not actually install that operating head into the drawing. It is actually on Constructor outside of the drawing. We right click in the box to pull up our symbol library, and then you'll see an area with green boxes around switches. And there we want to choose the multi-position switch control head that says 3-position selector switch. Again, there are several here to choose from in this area, and there are some even further up in the library that are more related to the 2-position selector switch. So again, the one we want to choose says multi-position switch control head, 3-position. First step we want to do then is to label that 3-position selector switch. And just like with motor starter coils, by assigning that and labeling that first, it allows me to assign then these contacts to work with it. So we right click as we've done before, click assignment, and the assignment box, contact assignment box, pulls up. At first it appears that it is blank, but this is the default screen, and the default screen will show the standard relay contacts we've added. We have in fact not added contacts from a standard relay. We have in fact added contacts from a multi-position switch. We need to click on that tab to see those push button contacts. When we do that, then we can see here clearly the 3-position selector switch head. We click on that, click OK, and now this has been assigned to that head. We're going to do the same with the other 2 contacts. Now that we've got those to work together, we have to tell Constructor how we want those to work together, and this gets us to our truth table. So now if we right click on the switch after the assignments, we will get the option of what is called contact configuration or truth table. And we click on that, you can see these are the 3 contact blocks that we've installed here. And because we chose the 3-position selector switch head, that's how many positions that we have. So you'll also note that it will tell you what rung the blocks that we've installed are on as well. So we're going to make it very simple. We're just going to make in position 1 the red light's on, in position 2 the green light's on, in position 3 the blue light is on. And we say OK. When we go to run, you'll see that automatically it's position 1, it already has a red light on. If I right click on the head, we're now in position 2, right click again, in position 3. Now if I left click, it'll work itself back through the different positions. So that concludes this video on the 3-position selector switch for the Constructor software.